it's me, Tiara, and today I'm back with another video, of course. Today I'll be doing this try not to laugh challenge, funny dogs. These never make me laugh. I don't know why, because these suck. But yeah, get your popcorn and drinks and stuff. Yeah. Let's just get started.
What is this? What?
I'm gonna be right back when I turn it up. Okay, I'm back.
What did you do? Pancake? Come here. Come here. You gonna take a bath?
Oh. Is he okay? Or is he having a seizure?
Bella, why are you sitting like that?
Because he's all
Huh?
hungry. Kidding.
Why are you sitting like that? You can't sit like that. You're not human. It makes you look funny.
Buddy? Bud? Did you have a goofy dream?
Okay. Oh, I feel bad. Okay, only that one made me laugh. Well, another one made me laugh, but that was hilarious. He just took it right off his face. That's what my dog does. She's a throw my step.
We're all laughing with that. She's
He's just scooting around because maybe his butt hurts or something. Or he's just doing that for fun. Oh, he's doing parkour.
It's a gift.
Bro, he could not fit through that little tiny dog.
Oh, there's another one. Another. Oh my God.
Oh. Oh my goodness, the dog's under the mop. Oh, never, wait a minute. What the heck? Oh my goodness, that got me.
Okay, all right. I think that's she.
That is not even funny. Oh my goodness.
Surprise box. And let me go.
That's not funny. I hate people who do that.
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sonny? You pooped in the kitchen? You ready to fall? Walk! 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 You ready to fall? Good boy. Walk, bud. You gotta walk, buddy. Walk, buddy. Good boy. Walk. You can't sit. Walk.
That's a big, great thing.
Let's go. Go. Come on, Poopy. Come on, little guy. Oh, oh! Well, that was an utmost failure.
Whoa, see, I like how she didn't laugh or anything. She's like, whoa, that was a big failure.
Wait, a treat? You might.
Go get a treat, Winston. Go get a treat. Go get a treat. Go get a treat, Winston.
Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. This is good. This is really good. Oh. Look at his eyes. What's that? Oh my goodness. That's not even funny. He could suffocate like that.
Tonk, do you want to play?
Get him! Oh my.
on the planet.
Is that a mouse? Is he trying to help? Oh. Don't you dare. Oh.
Diesel, this way. Come on.
Oh my goodness. At least he's not getting hurt bad. The box is facing, like, it's helping him not get hurt. It's like on his face. Oh, that had to hurt. That had to hurt, to be honest. That had to hurt. Oh, well, that's what you get. Oh, that's so cool. They have, like, a maze in the backyard. That looks so fun. Oh. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, there's Sophie.
Oh.
Oh, Cooper doesn't know what to do with her.
Oh. Don't just drag the dog. Okay, guys. That was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed it. It was pretty funny. I thought I was going to laugh, but, you know, it's cute and adorable, so of course I have to laugh. If you want me to do more videos like this video and comment down below. I enjoy doing videos like this, especially with dogs in them and animals. They're really cute. But I was really upset when people laughed at them when their dogs got hurt or hit or they ran into something. I hate when, like, people do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And get this video up to, I don't think how many likes you get up to. Just get it to how many you want or can get it up to. So, yeah. Bye guys. Oh, and after I upload this video, I'm going to do a video on how to make an intro. That'll probably be lots of help for some people, but yeah. Or I might do a react channel. Yeah, I'm gonna think about it, and comment down below if I should make a react channel. But yeah, bye TT Nation.